Hello, Park Hill High School juniors. Today we're going to review the College Supermatch feature in Family Connection, as well as introduce you to the college application, transcript, scholarship, and resume features in Family Connection. To log into Family Connection, go to www.connection.naviance.com/parkhhs. Your username and password are both your S number. Do not try to use your lunch code for your password because it will not work. Again, your username and password are both your S number with the S before it. As you approach the end of your junior year, it is time for you to seriously think about what you plan to do after you graduate from high school. Many of you will attend 2- or 4-year universities, some of you will attend vocational or technical centers, and some will choose the military. No matter the route you take, it's important you research all of the options that you have to make the best decision for yourself. Over the next year, you will be using Family Connection a lot to update your resume, indicate that you've submitted college applications, research colleges and scholarships, and request transcripts be sent to the colleges you are applying to. Our first task today is to review the College Supermatch feature. We previously showed you this feature in the fall. Click on the Colleges tab along the top list of links. Then click on the Supermatch College Search link. Once you've clicked on this link, you will see about 20 different search categories come up in the left-hand side of your screen. Go through each category and pick and choose which criteria best meets the type of post-secondary education setting you are most interested in. As you choose the criteria, you will notice that the list on your right constantly changes with schools that meet the criteria you are looking for. Once you've chosen all of your criteria, scroll through the list of colleges that most meet your needs. If you would like to learn more about the college, click on the name of the school, and it will open up a new tab for you to view the information in. Once you view the information for the schools of interest, you can go back to your college search results by clicking back on that tab. Please add at least one college of interest to your list. To do this, click on Add to Colleges I'm Thinking About. If you already know which schools you're interested in, please click on Colleges, Colleges I'm Thinking About, and click on Add Colleges to this list. Then you can click on Look Up and search for the college that you are interested in adding. Once you've selected all of the colleges you want to add, select Add Colleges. This will add colleges to a list to make it easier to access in the future. Another feature we want to show you is the Transcript Request feature. As you begin to apply to colleges over the summer and next fall, you will have to request your transcript to be sent. Some of you may be applying to schools that have an early application deadline due to scholarships, so you may have to request your transcript be sent this summer. To do this, click on Colleges, then Colleges I am applying to. Because you are juniors, you won't have access to add college names to the list of schools you're applying to, but you can request transcripts. Click on Request Transcript, and you can request a transcript be sent. This sends a request to Mrs. Weir, our registrar, and she will upload your transcript directly to the college of interest. You do not need to request a transcript today, but we wanted to show you how to access this feature in case there are any transcript requests needed over the summer. Another feature we want to show you is the Scholarship tab. As a senior, you'll want to apply for as many scholarships as you can. You can get a jump start on making a list of scholarships you want to apply for by looking at the scholarship list in Family Connection. Click on Colleges and scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the link for Scholarship List. This is a list of all the scholarships that we get word of at Park Hill, and many of you will be able to apply for them. Some will be merit-based, which means they will look at your grades, GPA, etc. Some will be need-based, where they will look at your financial need. Some will also require essays, and others may have a community service requirement attached to them. Again, you won't actually apply for any of these until you are a senior, but this summer would be a great time to review this list of scholarships to see which ones you want to apply for as a senior. The last feature we want to show you today is how to build a resume. Click on the About Me tab, then click on Resume under the Interesting Things About Me section. As you start to fill out your college applications and scholarship applications, you will find that most of them are going to want you to list your activities, clubs, work experience, and any other pertinent information. One of the best things you can do for yourself before the start of your senior year is to create a resume. This will make it easier for you to fill in this information as you start your college and scholarship applications. This will also be something that you will want to give to your teachers, counselors, and coaches that will be writing letters of recommendation for you for college admittance and scholarships. Once you're in the resume section, you can see where you can add different sections to your resume. Let's practice adding an entry to your resume. Click on the drop-down list for Add New Entry and select Extracurricular Activities. Add the information for the extracurricular activity that you'd like to add. Once you've added all the content to your resume, you can create a printable resume that you can print out and give to your reference letter writers. Click on Customize Your Printable Resume. Create a new print format. You first have to give it a name. And you can select which style you'd like to use. To view the example, just click on the link that says View Example to see what it will look like. And then select each of the categories that you'd like to include on your resume. You just as well add all of them. Once you're done, you can save and close, and then you can view and print your resume, and it will show you what it will look like when you print it. We've covered a lot of information today, and we know you probably won't remember it all. We're going to put a link for this video on the Counseling Department website on the Family Connection page, so please be sure to go there to watch this again if you need a refresher on how to complete these tasks. Thank you for your time, and please come to the counseling office to see your counselor if you have any questions about any of these tasks.